Hi, this is Mihaela from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in this Flow Manager release. Before we start, I want to mention that this Flow Manager version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing Flow Manager instances. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. On the security side, we have made multiple improvements on this Flow Manager version. Some of these include: for the SecureTransport plugin and monitoring plugin, we've addressed OpenSSL vulnerabilities in Alpine for Node.js. We've also updated several Java libraries to eliminate possible vulnerabilities. Here is the list of the most important fixes delivered in this release. Previously, you could not select a SecureTransport communication profile in a subscription for flows based on a hybrid pattern if the communication profile was set as a subscription parameter in the template. Also, resubmit SecureTransport transfers from the Sentinel View All Flows web dashboard was not working. Check the release notes for details on these and other fixes and improvements. This Flow Manager release introduces support for MongoDB versions 4.4 and 5.0, as support for MongoDB 4.2 ends in April 2023. For Docker and RPM deployment users, the upgrade process is automated but optional, which means that your Mongo database will not be upgraded automatically when upgrading your Flow Manager instance to the March release. The Mongo database upgrade can be done by running a script we provide with this release, which is designed to help you through this process. Very important to know is that it is strongly recommended to backup the database before applying the upgrade. Refer to the release notes to find all details on what steps you need to follow for the database upgrade. Another new development for this month is that you are now able to use the same PeSIT identifier in multiple flows with source participants pushing to SecureTransport with different client PeSIT logins. Previously, this was not allowed and subscriptions would fail at deployment when using a PeSIT identifier present in a previous subscription. I will now show you how you can reuse the PeSIT identifier in multiple flows. I've already prepared a pattern for this example, which has a CFT application as source that will route a file to a SecureTransport relay via PeSIT. I will create a template, and as I said, we will be using the same PeSIT identifier in all flows. For this example, the IDF will be IDF5. I will leave the other fields with default values and just select the relay product with the communication profiles we will be using. Very important to know is that this field, received file name, needs to have the same value in each flow if you are using the same PeSIT IDF for multiple flows. I will add the flow name as a subscription parameter, and I will also give a name to the template. Publish and subscribe. The first subscription for this demo will have as a source CFT1, which will use Demo1 as a PeSIT login, and the target will be Partner1. So this is how you create the first flow. As soon as this subscription is deployed, we will go back to the templates and create another subscription for a different flow. This time, the source will be CFT2, and the target, in this case, will be Partner2. This is how you create the second flow that uses the same PeSIT IDF. Once I deploy, we will check the subscriptions. Both of them are successfully deployed. Now I want to show you what got deployed on SecureTransport. So we have this demo 5 account for SecureTransport, which contains in transfer profiles IDF 5. As you can see here, we have information about both flows in IDF 5, as well as in routes we have both flows, demo flow 1 and demo flow 2. So as you can see in the subscriptions, we have both subscriptions which point to a subscription folder containing the IDF and the source login. This is how you can use the same PeSIT identifier in multiple flows that have source participants with different client PeSIT logins pushing to SecureTransport. Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.